Fractions. So that's what we're going to learn about today. Last year, we learned about all the different types of numbers. Fractions live in this rational numbers bubble. So rational, meaning ratio. So every fraction can be written as a ratio, where you have a number on the top and a number on the bottom. The way we write them, though, that ratio idea with a number on the top and the bottom is a convention. They can be written many different ways. Some of the ancient ways that they wrote fractions were like this. So these numbers wouldn't be here at all. This graphic right here that has all these different pieces in it, and each piece represents a different fraction. So if they needed 1/32, they would just draw this little squiggle right here. The Egyptians, except for 2/3, every fraction they wrote did not have a numerator. So they would only write this little piece here, and you would know that meant there was a 2 in the bottom, 3 in the bottom, 4 in the bottom. So we happen to just use a different convention. What we use, as I already said, is a ratio. We have a top number and a bottom number. The top number is counting. So that's how many pieces there are. So in the example you just saw, there were 5 pieces. The bottom number tells you what we're counting. So it tells you what part. If there's a 4 on the bottom, like there was in the example you saw, it tells you that we are counting fourths. So the origin behind each of these words, the numerator comes from the word enumerate, or make numbers. The bottom, the denominator, comes from the word denomination. So you can think of denomination like denominations of money or denominations of religion. So it kind of splits them up into different groups. It's also good to think about this like the unit. So here I have an example of 5/7. Okay, so if I said my desk was 5 long, you would ask me 5 what? 5 feet, 5 meters. So when I say 5/7, I'm giving you the unit. I'm telling you what that 5 is measuring. So to summarize, what I want you to think about when you're thinking about fractions is the top number is counting and the bottom number is what's being counted.